Most people think you can only have one 401k. That assumption is costing them thousands of dollars in taxes every year. Now, here's why I just opened a second retirement account and why this move compounds my wealth long term. So, let's talk about it. I want to share a move that I just made that most people don't even realize is an option, especially if you have multiple types of jobs. Now, this is my second year running a home based dog boarding business and pet waste removal as a legitimate side business, side hustle of that nature. And the income has been very consistent. I started it in 2024. 2025 was an extremely consistent year for me. I already have a 401k through my W 2 job, but now that I'm also self employed on that side, I unlocked a whole new tax strategy. So, what I did, I just opened a self employed 401k specifically for my side hustle income related to pet boarding and pet waste removal. Now, this is completely separate from my normal W 2 employer 401k. And yes, you're allowed to have both. For 2025, I'm going to make an employer contribution of $4,000 based off of what I made boarding dogs. And there's no employee deferrals. It's just going to be employer contribution. So it should be a nice way to tuck away some money in a retirement account. And I'm doing this before filing my taxes for 2025, which is key. So the year is over. I know how much I made. I've determined what my employer contribution is going to be. And here's why this matters. This is a $4,000 is a business expense. It's going to lower my taxable income from my side hustles because I file them under my social security number, obviously, and that means less owed in taxes, more money invested, more compounding working for me. There's a ton of benefits for it, and instead of just throwing it in like a normal brokerage account like I was going to. This isn't about fancy investing. It's about keeping more of my own money, right? Now, the really powerful part comes later on with this. Like, yes, I'm locking that money away. It's now in a 401k, but in future years, this money can be rolled over. It can be strategically converted to my other Roth IRA. It can be used as part of a broader Roth conversion plan. There's a lot of different options with it. I'm not rushing that part right now. I'm just stacking flexibility to have multiple accounts to do things with later on and control my taxes. This gives me control over my taxes now and definitely my taxes later on in life. I'm only 40, so this will help me later on. Most people wait until they make more money to think about strategy. I'm doing the opposite. I saw a consistent first year of income from this side hustle, and I'm immediately doing this. When income increases, I immediately always ask myself, how do I protect this from taxes, or how can I make the smartest choices with taxes? That's how wealth is built quietly. And if you're running a side hustle or anything of that nature and you're still treating it as hobby money, this is a wake up call for you. This is legitimate income and you can self employ with a 401k. Side hustle income deserves retirement strategy. It's not just spending decisions, not just investing it into a brokerage account. There's more that you can do with it than that. One smart move today can save you five figures over a long extended period of time, right? As always, this video is for educational purposes only and reflects my personal experience and just something I wanted to share with you guys. I'm not a financial advisor or a tax professional. Always consult with a CPA or financial professional regarding your specific situation and what you're doing. I check with my own CPAs and stuff before I open up things. And that's it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching and sticking around. Hit that like button, drop a subscription if this resonates with you or if you're enjoying the content.